day, everyone, especially to our teachers, Sir Jim Ryan Lamont. This is our reflection on the self and Western thought. In Western thought, the concept of the self is often seen as something individual, rational, and separate from others. Philosophers like Descartes believe that our ability to think defines who are. I think forever I am. This reflective highest self-awareness and personal responsibility suffer something understanding ourselves the start the reflecting in our own thought Jesus exercise it remind that growth begins when recognize our power to shape our identity through the reason and decision making.
However, this will also encourage you to look deeper into how we relate to the world. While Western truth focuses on individually, it's also challenge you to find meaning beyond the surface to understand that knowing oneself is a lifelong process of questioning, learning, and evolving.
In a modern context, it teaches us to balance independence with connection, reminding us that true self-understanding comes not just from taking alone, but from engaging meaningful with others and the world around us.